we are? We are where inspiration takes shape and craftsmanship endures. For over 2 decades, we have been the reliable partner to global brands, transforming their visions into tangible packaging solutions. Trust is built in the details. Jarsking, a one-stop packaging manufacturer in cosmetics, perfumes, pharmaceutical industries. Now, let's step inside Jarsking. More than 20 years of industry expertise, a team of over 100 skilled professionals, and the cooperation of 1,500 global customers to shape our legacy of success. From concept to delivery, our integrated service model encompasses every step of your journey: design, R&D, production, decoration, and logistics. This seamless end-to-end approach ensures we meet your needs across the entire value chain. Welcome to Jarsking, home to Guangzhou's major mold manufacturing facility and South China premier glass bottles post-processing plant. No matter where you are, getting started with Jarsking is simple. Just submit your packaging needs through our online platform. Our sales team will respond within 24 hours. Our design team offers a range of customized solutions, blending materials, color, and brand elements to create distinctive packaging. Through 3D modeling, we provide realistic previews that demonstrate how your finished products will look, allowing you to visualize the final result before production begins. Quality assurance is the cornerstone of our operation. Every sample that leaves our factory is tested to ensure full compliance with the industry standards. Additionally, Jarsking R&D team continuously explore new materials, PLA, PCR, technologies, and manufacturing processes, ensuring innovation and strict quality control to elevate our brand value. Our technical team tackles challenges in glass containers, such as two-way humidity control liners for pharmaceutical packaging, achieving stable temperature and humidity control to ensure optimal product storage. Technological innovations set Jarsking apart. Jarsking manufacturing facility spans 100,000 square meters, delivering daily production capacity. To ensure strict confidentiality, we store all customer samples in a secure digital cabinet with password verification. Each customer has a dedicated storage compartment, guaranteeing that product designs and details remain protected at all times. Jarsking relies on a global logistic network and tracking system to optimize distribution process. Each batch of goods is inspected and optimized and guaranteed all the transit from our facility to your destination. Jarsking Group is headquartered in China, with branches in Dubai and United States. We own manufacturing facility and collaborate with partner factories, leveraging our strong supply chain integration capabilities to provide clients with optimal solutions and flexible services. With teams in Dubai and the US, we offer localized sales, warehousing, and services, ensuring efficient collaboration for our global clients. Jarsking's journey began with the vision and dedication of founder Andy Shi. After gaining experience in serving major brands as a technical manager at a renowned French packaging group in 2003, Andy set out on his entrepreneurial path.
At Jarsking, we are committed to build a leading global packaging brand, define its product through excellence in craftsmanship and innovation.
Jarsking is a passionate and creative team. We believe today's best resources are tomorrow's baseline.
Jarsking's mission is to make your brand's vision into reality and create a lasting brand impression through our packaging design.
I have over a decade of experience working with the suppliers worldwide. My experience with Jarsking has been its best held in China. Their clear, smooth and transparent communication and solving challenges and focus of meeting timelines and truly set them apart. Working with them has been a pleasure so far.
Throughout the process, they stuck to the production schedule, kept me informed, and even helped with around delivery efficiently. Everything was completed in a timely manner, making the whole experience smooth and stress-free. I highly recommend Jarsking for their professionalism and excellent result. I will definitely be working with them again.
Whether you are a startup, an emerging brand, or an international name, we leverage our industry expertise to create personalized packaging solutions for clients worldwide.